Hello, my dear sweetheart subscriber. Welcome back to my channel, GL Manhwa Kiss Me in the Dark of Night. Chapter 5 That's another new question. Yes, we have a ton of questions now, like why you can't hurt me and why my coffin was buried in Juhua City. It seems like those questions are inseparable from your unfortunate fate. Miss Clark, would you like to solve these puzzles with me? Madam Janglai, I do. Why are you acting like it's a marriage proposal? We're in this type of relationship, so just give up on killing me. I still have a lot of features to be developed. Don't you want to play with them? Be careful walking down the stairs. I'm not afraid of falling. Young masters, were all the issues resolved? Blah blah. We couldn't stop a student from running inside. Is she okay? Everything is resolved. The student is fine as well. Troy G. That's good. That's good. Oh, I was just saying that this foreign young master looks kind of like. She looks kind of like the student who ran inside. What's her name, Lengsi? Professor Pei, why didn't you tell us ahead of time that Lengsi and I look very similar? My apologies, I'm a bit face blind to foreigners. So that's it. What a coincidence. Motionless. The compass didn't move. Paging isn't a demon. Did I suspect the wrong person? However, forget it. There's more to this school than what's on the surface with the strong amount of yin energy it has. There are a lot of secrets and also many opportunities. Professor P, please transfer the money to my account. If there are any similar incidents in the future, please request my services again and I'll give you a discount. Yes, definitely. I appreciate both of you for working so hard today. It wasn't that hard. We'll be leaving now. You don't have to see us off. What's for dinner tonight? Instant noodles. Huh? Why didn't we get paid today? They're nasty. I don't want instant noodles. Serious. What are you looking at so seriously? Nothing, just looking up some information. You're suddenly acting mysterious? It's nothing. I was just telling the fans that there won't be a stream tonight. Did Professor Pei transfer the money? Yes, I have it. By the way, I was thinking about Lin Xiaoyan. She said that someone on the rooftop was urging her to jump. Do you remember that? MHMM. And before she died, she saw Liang Seven having intimate contact with another person. But Liang Sui had actually been in the hospital in a coma. If that's the case, then she didn't commit suicide, but was murdered. The person who urged her to jump off the building wasn't human either, right? Being able to change one's appearance and manipulate people to jump off buildings doesn't sound unusual at all. Becoming hateful due to cheating and love, then becoming a ghost and finding a mage to exorcise the ghost also makes sense. Could it be possible that the Lin Xiaoyan and Liang Sevin are just victims picked by the mastermind? Is there actually another purpose? But why? There are too few clues right now, I can't figure it out. I keep feeling like nothing matches up, so all I can do is wait longer. That's right. Regarding your immunity to taking damage from me, I was wondering if there's some kind of strange contract between us. The keys to triggering the contract might have been when you opened my coffin and I licked your blood. Why are you suddenly approaching me again? Do you want to experiment a little? Experiment? What? Actually, when I was browsing on my phone just now, I found a piece of information that might explain the situation between us. The information said that there's a contract called twins. Information? What information? Don't worry about it. Just listen to me. The so called twins are the contractor and the subordinate. Their lives will become connected and they will be attracted to each other. The contractor cannot harm the subordinate, and the subordinate's power comes from the contractor. Gulp. How come I've never heard of such a powerful contract? The most interesting thing is, pushes. Clark, what are you going to do? Her expression doesn't look right. Twins can replenish their magic power in special ways. Once we confirm this method, then we'll know whether the contract has been completed. Want to try it? Clark, let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Even though my magic is ineffective against her, how could she completely overpower me? Not fair. I'm helping you figure out a breakthrough. Don't move. You did this to me in order to help me find a breakthrough. Think about it. If this can really replenish mana, then what does that mean? Dash dash, huh? What? That would mean there's a flow of magic power between us. then I'll definitely find a way for you to save me. Aren't I smart? What flow of magic? What are you talking about? If you cut off the flow of magic power, you should be able to deal with me, right? Do you understand what I'm talking about? Did you learn this from watching shorts? Hey, 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 don't just learn without fact checking. Shorts are bad for you, watching too many will make you stupid. I'm not a human. Come on, baby, let's have some fun. Was that sentence too sleazy? Clark, calm down, we can talk it out. Twist, twist. How can I tie you up if you keep moving? There's no such thing as mana replenishment. Do you believe the rando who made the short or me, the professional mage? I believe myself. Vampires are my mortal enemies. Done. Phew. Even though it's a little different from what I learned in the video, it's fine as long as it does the job. Huh. Jiang Lai, let's start. Stop it, don't mess around. Awkward. Embarrassed. I'm not messing around. You're bullying me with your strength. Clark, I shouldn't have shown you any compassion. Or moves aside. Evil spirits will always be evil spirits. They'll never understand the human heart. They'll only behave like beasts. Pauses. What do you know? Done. Phew. Even though it's a little different from what I learned in the video, it's fine as long as it does the job. I wasn't born a vampire, nor did I want to become one. Before I became the demon you call me, I was once a human. My heart beats the same as any other human heart. If I could, I'd rather be buried deep underground and never wake back up. Clark, it's fine. I've come to terms with who I am. I'll definitely control myself in the future so that you don't hate me even more. Click. I'm sleeping on the couch tonight. Good night. Bang. Sigh. Even if what I said was too harsh, you should at least help untie the rope first. Jiang Lai is an idiot. I hate her. Flails. I haven't even screamed despite being tied up. It's not that I want to be a vampire. The Honorable Princess, Clark, Charlotte, welcome to the new Santuru. I'm not the one who told it the secret, please believe me. Your Royal Highness. I wanted to finish this act well. It's a pity that the timing of my exit is beyond my control. Suddenly opens this dream. My head hurts. Have I been watching too many dramas recently? What a weird dream. The woman in the dream was so pretty. It's all Jiang Lai's fault for coming into my dream and interfering with my affairs. Otherwise, I would have been able to see that beauty's face clearly. H-R-I-A. Jiang Lai, what are you? Who are you? A customer. Such a strong alcohol smell. Drunk, huh? N-O, N-O. I'm looking for Jiang Lai. Where is she? Drunk. Points. I didn't even hear her footsteps. Jiang Lai, your May master is here. Hiccup. Bang. Wow, much fancier work than mine. As the master who raised you, I didn't even know that you liked bondage. Smirks. My baby shows promise. Jiang Chuni, you were drinking all night again, weren't you? Get over here and untie me. Jiang Chuni, you stink, you reek of alcohol. How much did you drink? A ghost-themed bar opened on Linjang Road. I'll take you there next time. There were so many beautiful ladies. Stop talking and go to sleep. Out of it, that's right. Give your Auntie Liu a call. Snore, I'll sing her a song. You drank too much and went insane. You broke up with Auntie Liu a lot of years ago. Point blank. When master is lucid again, expect to be beaten. Hey, hey, Jiang Lai, this is your master? Author. Note Golden Core Jindan. In Xianxia stories, the golden core is meant to be the accumulation of all the energy you have gathered in your body over the previous stages of cultivation and gives you a large boost to your abilities. For example, immortality, youthful appearance, which is what Clark is referencing. She looks too young. Could she be a golden core master? Are you angry that I tied you up so you called her to come save my soul? You need to watch less shorts. In our world, there is no such thing as cultivating immortals. Oh, that's right. I had a strange dream last night, and you were in the dream, following closely. It's normal to dream at night about what you think about during the day. I also dreamed about Another person. But I didn't see her face clearly. Do you think it has something to do with my missing memories? Hey, why aren't you answering me? I'm brushing my teeth. If you think it has something to do with your memory, then try to draw or write down what you saw in the dream. Then we'll examine it together. You're so reliable. Dash dash, huh? The toothpaste foam is coming out. This girl takes advantage of every opportunity. She has no sense of boundaries. Why do you always touch me? Do you like me? Of course I like you. You give me a place to stay, a phone, and even buy me mauchawang. Sigh. Clark, I'm asking you seriously. But I actually already have an answer to this question. It's because of the contract between us. All of your actions towards me are affected by the contract. In order to prevent you from misunderstanding our relationship in the future, I feel the need to make it clear. Why bother making it clear? I don't care about contracts or hormones now. The more information you gather about the contract, the easier it will be to figure out how to terminate it. Then there's no need to figure it out. If you terminate the contract, then you can kill me. I'm not stupid. If you behave well, maybe I really will let you go. Don't go, I haven't finished talking yet. What if your master wakes up and finds out that I'm a vampire? She won't do anything to you. The demon hunting industry rules are that you cannot steal other people's prey. Zhang Lai. Bang. What are you doing? I want you to promise that you won't kill me even if the contract is terminated. Control yourself. You always want to get close to me because of the contract. Since you know this, you should keep your distance. Also, kiss. What is she doing? Is she insane? You do you know what you're doing? Of course I know. I only believe in how I feel at this moment. I said before that whether it's the contract or hormones, I don't care. It's true that I want to get close to you and touch your skin. It's true that I'm flirty around you and pester you for no apparent reason. Whether it's because I like you or it's the influence of the contract, it doesn't matter. Now that I'm alive, I want to live well no matter what methods I use. You too. Is anything else exciting going to happen? I want to watch. Things aren't what you think. Kiss. Do, do you two want to die? Pushes away. Oh, Jung Chuni. Go home with your bad habits. Throws. Young lady, this girl never lets non humans into her house, and they certainly don't survive the night. What's your relationship with her? Immortal Master, you already know that I'm a. Janglai, what are you doing? Author note Clark is still stuck in Jansha world. Go write down what you dreamt about and don't alter it. Bang! Hey, don't be impatient. Tell Master what's so special about this girl. Eavesdropping? It has nothing to do with you. Go back, throw away the bottle, and clean up. The headmaster is about to come out of hiding. She always hates you drinking, so don't make her unhappy. Don't think you can just brush it off. Tell me what's going on between you and her. I've never seen you be so friendly to non humans. Mind your own business. Don't come to me when you're drunk. This isn't a lovelorn shelter. What's more, you've been broken up for many years. Wait, crack. As your master who raised you, how could I not care about your business? You used magic on me. Is that the point? You're only a few years older than me, and it was the headmaster who raised us. In the end, I took care of you more. Whoa, wasn't I the one who taught you magic and spells? Master, I'll do what you taught me. I've learned most of the magic and how to handle the relationship between humans and demons. Clark and I are different from you and Auntie Liu. Why did you bring up the matter between her and I? I know exactly why you broke up with Auntie Liu. You told me that humans and demons can never develop feelings for each other, and I understood that and took it to heart. Heart. Releases. People change. You haven't changed much. You've always wavered and been indecisive. Guilty conscience. On the one hand, you taught me the ways of demons, and on the other hand, you were in a relationship with a demon and it caused a huge uproar. I don't want to repeat your mistakes. Zhang Lai. You can speak louder. Are you afraid that I can't hear you clearly? The different parts of humans and demons. It's 2025. People can marry their pillows. Why are there no normal people around me? Anyway, Clark is my prey, so stop getting in my business. I am not. For some things, you may have to fall flat on your face before you regret it. Sigh, what are you doing? Drink to boost your courage. Then go and correct your mistakes. Let's see what happens next. Hey guys, thank you so much for supporting me. And please like, share, and comment and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.